What's up, guys? Check this out. So today, went on a bike ride. Got a couple coins on the ground. We got a quarter and a penny. We got a quarter and a penny. We got a quarter. It's one of the state quarters. It's a Philly. It's one of the state quarters. 2004. No, it's a 2003. This is Surrey State Quarter, 1804 to 2004. Collapse of Discovery, 1821. Alright, we got a quarter, 25 cents made. Okay, I'll take it. Just a quarter. Alright, just 25 more cents. I'll take it. Alright, got a quarter, we got a penny. We got a penny. It's newer. It's a show penny. It's a 2024 Denver. Just a penny. I'll take it. Right, just a penny. We got a quarter and a penny, so that's 26 cents. I'll take it. 26 cents found on my bike ride today. Let's find more money. How about that? Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, and subscribe.